Hey, need a car now, but you don't got no credit or no job.
Call Nationwide Auto Finance right now.
419-407-6975.
Who do I talk to?
One hoodie, Mo, L, or Mike. They got over 600 cars you can pick from.
They don't care if it's welfare or low income.
Just put 500 down, you can drive today. 2121 Woodville Road is the place. Nationwide Auto, Nationwide Auto, Nationwide Auto, Nationwide Auto. More credit, bad credit, any credit, no problem. No proof of income, it's no problem. Nationwide Auto, Nationwide Auto, Nationwide Auto, Nationwide Auto. Get an SUV, Chrysler 300 or a Charger. So if you standing by the phone now, then holler.
No interest.
Finance. Call 419-407-6975.
Get you a ride.
Or visit online, nationwidetoledo.com. Tell them Young Chuck sent